Welcome back, guys. Brian Peacock once again, Epic Outdoor Adventures. Real quick video for you. I've had a lot of questions and people ask me why I pick my tomatoes early before they're actually red. The reason I do this, there's a few reasons that I do this. And you don't have to do this. You can let your tomatoes ripen all the way on the vine if you choose to. And sometimes some people would argue that they taste a little better if they're ripened all the way on the vine. I don't see a big difference if they ripen off the vine or on the vine. But my reasons for picking tomatoes before they are red is that, one, it removes these fruits from the plant and stops the energy, water, and the energy of that plant pushing energy to this plant, this fruit, pushing water to this fruit. And it can go to newer fruits to be able to either grow new fruits or plump up the other ones that are smaller than these guys and farther behind. Two, it seems that birds and worms and pests and things like that tend to dig into my tomatoes right when they turn red. Like, seems like they know the day that I'm going to pick the tomatoes, and the night before or the day before they want to just go poke a big hole in it and drink that water in there. Usually birds drink the water out of the tomatoes. They don't eat the tomatoes. Okay, so to stop birds from messing with your tomatoes, you could put a bird bath out or bucket of water or something like that that the birds could actually drink from, and then they would leave your tomatoes alone. All right, now that won't stop the worms and things for boring holes into your tomatoes and things like that. But I just found that if I pull them before they get ripe, I don't have as many pests poke holes into my tomatoes. All right, and third reason is I have had people steal my tomatoes when they get good, or my fruits and my peppers, or different things. So I've had things ripen on the vines. I come out to get it the next day, and I find that somebody has taken all my ripe fruits off of my things, come in the yard and took them. All right, so theft is another reason why I take them a little earlier. All right, so for me personally, it's just a little easier to take them, a couple days before they're ripe. Go ahead and put them on the counter or up in the windowsill, and they will ripen up within the next couple days to your liking, and just go ahead and eat them. All right, guys, so that's the 3 reasons why I pick my tomatoes just a little early. Now, I do that when they start to blush. All right, just when they start to blush, when you see just that little color starting to come out, that's when I take them. All right, I don't take them when they're fully green. I have had issues in the past with tomatoes not even ripening if I took them too early. I have other people tell me that they take green tomatoes all the time and ripen every single one of them. So that's just not something that I have a lot of experience with. So I can't say 100% sure if a fully green tomato would ripen off the vine. I've had them ripen, and I've had some that didn't. That just rotted before they actually ripened. So it might be a storage issue. So I don't know, but appreciate you guys watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Share, comment. We'll see you next video.